Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 143. Today we review 5 more tips and tricks for Google Drive. So in last week's video, it was chock full of Google Drive tricks that help you organize things. And this week we run into 5 more tips and tricks that you're probably not using. First, did you know that Google Drive can search text within images? Yeah, it has a built-in OCR or Object Character Recognition feature. If I search for the phrase, "it's official," it turns up several files, but the first one is a picture. The file name doesn't have the phrase, "it's official," but if I open it up, it's in the image. Well, okay, that's clean text superimposed on the image. So what if it's a scan? What if it's a picture of some text? Well, if I search for Outtro, it turns up this file. Notice the text of the image here. It found that word too. So yeah, Google Drive can search images for words in there and can recognize those words for the purposes of search. Drive can also find some common objects or places too. It seems to work much better with places than objects. For example, if I search for Horseshoe Bend, it turns up this image, which isn't named or tagged as Horseshoe Bend. Eiffel Tower turns up too, and this image is a screenshot of a picture I found on the internet. So I purposely didn't download the image because I thought that might have some tags or details in there. I took a screenshot of that. However, animals like bear, spider, dog didn't actually turn up in the searches, and neither did, curiously, the Washington Monument. It's hit and miss. Of course, you could use one of the tips we mentioned last week and add keywords to the description to help you find files later without having to rename them. Okay, let's take a look at another trick. Did you know that you can share files for a limited time and have the sharing rights expire? Yeah, we covered that in Tech Tuesday number 27, but it's changed a little bit, so we're going to mention it again. Basically, after you've shared a file with somebody, click on their permissions and choose Give Temporary Access. Notice that in order to use this feature, you do have to change their rights to comment or view access only. It does not work with editor. Speaking of sharing rights, number 4 involves controlling whether people can download, print, and copy. Right-click on a file and choose Share, then click the options icon in the top right. Uncheck the second option, but remember that people can still screenshot things if they really want to. While we're here, notice that you can also adjust whether editors can share these files with others. Finally, tip number 5 is a URL hack. We discovered some basic URL tricks way back in Tech Tuesday number 3, and if you want to look at that, the links will be in the description, but that one's a rough Tech Tuesday. That was in the early days. But specifically, we mentioned /copy/preview. Well, those still work, but there are a couple more that are really helpful. First, I would recommend that instead of replacing /edit and everything after with /copy, that you instead use /template/preview. So you would replace /edit and everything after that in the URL with /template/preview. And what that does is it lets them see a preview of the file before they copy it using the Use Template button provided. The other URL hack that's pretty good is to change the /edit and everything after it with /export format equals PDF. That creates a direct link to a PDF version of the file, automatically downloading the PDF whenever they click. Note that if the shared file is large, it may take a little bit of time to download. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button? Click the bell icon to receive email notifications, leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.